Hello students, today we discuss a thinker based question that what is historical materialism in terms of marks. In 150 words, the UPSC asked and having a marks around 10. In 10 marks question, within the 150 words reach, you have to mention about what the historical materialism. First, we know about what is historical. Historical is all about that what is being happening in the past. Materialism is all about that we denote in terms of money and wealth. What are the changes that denotes in the society in terms of the money and wealth. Historical materialism. The concept of historical materialism was not given by Marx. It is being given by the Engels in his book The Utopian or the Socialism. In this writing, the Engels talks about that any associate change in the society is basically due to the economic activities. That any change is due to the mechanization, industrialization, is all about any change for the economic development of the society is taken as a base, as a economic base. Marx studied the historical materialism is all about that only from the economic point of view. He says that man is a alone animal. Man is being given by birth by his mother and he is alone for his survival. He says that the man's survival on his earth only because of the economic activities. The perspective of analyzing the things of the materialism through Marx is all about the economic base. He analyzed each and everything on the basis of economic activities, because we all know that every philosopher is the child of his age. And when the Marx grow, he says the struggle in the society between the two class of the people, the industrialist class and the worker class. And the industrialist class, the class who is having rich resources, and the class who owns all the factors of the production, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, and they having the economic power. And the worker class, the class who sells his labor, who sells his efficiency in order for his survival. So the perspective of seeing the Marx is in his theory is all about the economic base. He says that man is alone in this earth. He is having the capability to survive on this earth because the man is having the capability to produce the things and capture the things for his own survival. Man is alone. He is having the capability given by the God that he survive on his own by the efficiency of producing the things. The historical materialism in terms of the Marx is that only about the economic structure, because in the economic structure he says that there are two parties, one is the industrial base and the second is the worker. The industrial base is having all the things, all the resources, and the working class is all about they have sell their labor for their livelihood. Marx's perspective of understanding the society in terms of the economic base is all about the historical materialism. Marx is an important thinker. He analyzes various things in the society from the economic base. But the critics of the Marx is that everything is not be seen in terms of the perspective of the economic base. We analyzing the various things on the basis of the economic proportion also. But in all the thinkings and the readings of the Marx believe only that for the survival in the society is all about the economic base, and if you have the economic power of producing the things, then only you can survive, otherwise you will be unable to survive. This is all about the Marx statement of view of the historical materialism. Thank you all.